A secure network is mission critical to every business. Having an effective network security strategy not only protects you and your clients' confidential data, but it can also increase your company's productivity by eliminating distractions such as spam and restricting websites that interfere with your employees' job performance. If hackers get to your data, you may face fines for exposing private, confidential information, as well as losing clients. It's imperative your network meets the regulated security compliances for your industry. By leveraging our managed security services, you can rest easy. We will implement the latest state-of-the-art network security hardware and software, and follow up with 24/7, 365 network monitoring. We ensure your network is safe and compliant. We free your network from workplace disruptions by deploying a firewall that prevents your employees from wasting their time and your money on Facebook, Twitter, or other non-work-related internet use. If you're ready to put an end to spam, malware, prevent viruses and hackers, improve productivity, and maintain a healthy, security-compliant network, contact us for a free consultation.